Welcome to the Dermatologic Laser Center. I'm Suzanne Stevens. Do you have broken capillaries on your face, or maybe you have rosacea? Well, Dr. Brown can do a procedure right here at the Laser Center that, believe it or not, is very fast and inexpensive. With us now is Lee Chandler, and we're going to watch Dr. Brown demonstrate what's called the V-beam laser on Lee. And I do see some redness on your cheeks. Tell me about that and how long you've had it.
I've had the rosacea most of my life. In the wintertime, it's much more visible than the summer. And I'm getting a little bit on my chin. I have a large spot on the side of my nose.
I also see some up here at your hairline.
A little bit everywhere.
And does it bother you, Lee?
Yeah, sometimes. I usually have to wear makeup when I leave the house to cover it up so it's not so evident.
And so afterwards, when this is all calmed down, do you think that it will maybe change how you feel about yourself?
I think I'll be more confident. I think I'll be able to just leave the house and not have to worry about putting on makeup if I'm just going to the grocery store.
Good for you. Now, in terms of the actual procedure, this is not one of those where you need any sort of prep work done.
No, I understand it's going to be virtually painless.
Now we are watching Dr. Brown use the V-beam laser to take the rosacea off of Lee's cheeks and other areas of her face. They are both wearing protective goggles, and Lee has not had any anesthesia. The V-beam laser treats blood vessels on your face. It's also good for scarring and birthmarks. Each V-beam pulse is composed of 8 individual micropulses, although the patient would not feel that. It specifically targets red blood vessels without damaging other skin. Lee might be slightly swollen and might want to sleep on a pillow with her head elevated. She should use mild products on her face. Immediately afterward, Dr. Brown will give Lee some ice for her face. The cost of this kind of procedure varies, depending on how much area needs to be treated.
Since the procedure, my skin is much more youthful. The rosacea is gone. I feel very comfortable going outside without makeup on. And now, 2 weeks later, the results are great. And I'm really pleased with the results.
That very effective procedure to treat Lee's rosacea took just 15 minutes here at the Dermatologic Laser Center, which is the foremost laser treatment center in this region. Now, if you'd like to talk to Dr. Brown about what lasers could do for you, by all means schedule a consultation with him or ask your nurse today. For the Dermatologic Laser Center, I'm Suzanne Stevens.